Fox the Tiger was 2019 Geisel Award winner. Fox the Tiger by Corey R. Tabor. I wish I were a tiger, says Fox. Tigers are big. Tigers are fast. Whoosh. Tigers are sneaky. Tigers are the best. Fox has an idea. There! Now I'm a tiger, says Tiger. Tiger goes for a prowl.
Hello, Fox,
says Turtle. I'm not Fox. I am Tiger, says Tiger. I prowl and growl. Now, Turtle has an idea.
Wait here,
says Turtle. Tiger waits. Hi, Turtle, says Tiger. Hi, Turtle, says the rabbit.
I am not Turtle. I am Race Car,
says Race Car.
I zip and zoom.
Now Rabbit has an idea. Wait here, says Rabbit. Tiger waits. Race Car waits too. Hi, Rabbit, says the Tiger.
Hi, Rabbit,
says Race Car. I'm not Rabbit. I'm Robot, says Robot. I beep bop boop. Tiger prowls and growls. Race Car zip and zoom. Robot beep bop boop. Drip drop drip drop. It starts to rain. Soon, Turtle is Turtle, Rabbit is Rabbit, and Fox is Fox.
oh well,
Says Turtle. Oh well, says Rabbit. They go in from the rain. Oh boy, says Fox. Fox is wet, Fox is sad. Fox is Fox. Wow, a fox, says Squirrel. Foxes are big. Foxes are fast. Whoosh. Foxes are sneaky. Foxes are the best.
yes,
Says Turtle.
foxes are the best.
Fox smiles. Fox is glad to be a fox.